Ó tún ti lẹ́tìkẹ́ ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi wòlíì Marcus Tibetan tún ti gbóṣùbà káre fún olóyè Sunday Igboho bàbá Akintoye pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn other Yoruba nation fighters fún gbogbo iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí wọ́n ń ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá wípé kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá náà gbòmìnira ká já ara wa kúrò lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní darandaran tí wọ́n jẹ́ káwọn àgbẹ̀ wa fi ọkàn balẹ̀ lọ́kọ̀ oko lọ́kọ̀ ọ̀pẹ nínú oko. This is really encouraging because pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìlàkàkà olóyè Sunday Igboho pẹ̀lú gbogbo ariwo tán pa fáwọn ọmọ Yorùbá látijọ́ ọjọ́ yìí ṣùgbọ́n tó dàbí ìgbà wípé síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ àṣírí àwọn kan tó ń dìtẹ̀ wọn tí wọ́n ń sọ̀rọ̀ àbùkù sí wọn kódà ráwọn míì tó ń sọ wípé ẹnu lásán ò ní wọ́n fi ń gba nation kọ́lọ̀ kó ṣàánú àwa ìran Yorùbá ni àṣé àwọn kan wà tó ṣe wípé wọ́n ń wo olóyè Sunday Igboho wọ́n ń rí iṣẹ́ takuntakun tí wọ́n ń ṣe tí wọ́n sì appreciate iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n ṣe just like wòlíì Marcus Tibetan and ìyẹn gan ló fi já wípé ọ̀rọ̀ tí wòlíì Marcus Tibetan sọ nínú fọ́nrán tó wà ń bí tí mo máa play fún gbogbo wa tájìjọ gbọ́ láìpẹ́ yìí ó jẹ́ pé ó ṣe kókó kò ṣe pàtàkì fún wa láti farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ ká dé gbé yẹ̀wò dáadáa ni. kí wá nìdí tí wòlíì Marcus Tibetan fi ní one Nigeria ò lè so èso rere kankan fún ìran Yorùbá kí ni tí wọ́n rí tí wọ́n fi ní one Nigeria is just a waste of time fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá pátápátá. ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nù fọ́nrán yìí nǹkan kì í ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ràgó ẹ̀yin èèyàn kí má wàá rojọ́ jìnnà ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé fọ́nrán wòlíì Marcus Tibetan wọlé ká tún gbọ́n tán sọ lọ́tẹ̀ nípa Yorùbá nation àti olóyè Sunday Igboho fọ́nrán yẹn rí ẹ jẹ́ àjọwò kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa bá mi fi ìròyìn náà nípa ìsí kọ́mẹ̀ntì.
I give kudos to Baba Akintoye, then Igboho. Then I give kudos to all the Yoruba fighters. And when you look at my brother in London too, Yinka grandson.
Okay.
Yinka grandson, they are all there. These are potential good Nigerians that has all the mathematics in their head. They just released him. He says he can give the statistics. The numbers of people that they've trained in Lagos. The number of something that left the port. Yes. But they will never allow these people to come in there. So that flag, we have our own flag too. We have Yoruba nation flag.
Yes.
So if they want to see flag, we can bring it out. We have our own flag. And the Igbo to have their own flag. It's only the Arewa flag. Then they have their own flag too. So they knew we will leave one day. They know that we are going to break up one day. Calling soldier this time will not work. No soldier can face the international community with it. No way, no way. We are polluted more than the soldier to come in. Even soldier has messed up before. Messed us up. You see what Babangida did to Abiola? You said the government is going to finance a party. SDP and NRC. You see what they do to all those state people in 1983. We cannot forget all these things. We cannot forget all these things. So we don't need to go to bigger war. I don't pray any Igbo should lose their life. I don't pray any Hausa should lose their life. I don't pray any Yoruba to lose their life. We should come in round table. Enough is enough of Obasanjo's saga. Enough is enough of Arewa, born to rule. Babangida, Abu Salam is enough is enough. Nobody can keep the truth. One day, you know when you wanted to go to the toilet, if the time is not up for you to poo, you can be there reading paper. But when the time comes, you just poo and then leave. And all these things we are doing, God knows when we are going to pass. And that's what he said in the book of Daniel 9. If you want to read Daniel 9, it's there. Because that was the reason why Daniel was fasting every day. You remember in Psalm 137, he said by the rivers of Babylon. Then when you look at the book of Exodus 5, 10 to 16, then Exodus 7, 8, 9, and 12, he said, eat your food. Why what? Why you about going? Eat your food standing. Eat your food as what? As standing. Your God should be in you. You are living today. Because when you look at the book of Genesis 15 from 12 to 14, he said they are going to serve for 430 years. And when the time up, kò sí nǹkan tó ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ò lópin, àwọn òyìnbó yẹn ti sọ pé 100 years. So flag kan Igbo ń bọ̀ kò sí ìsọjà fẹ́ gbàjọba kò lè kó Igbo láyà jẹ, kò lè kó Yorùbá láyà jẹ. Wọ́n kó sójà wá bá wa ní Òkè Igbó, wọ́n kó sójà wá bá wa lọ́wọ́ ní táìmù Ṣàgàrí, but gbogbo wọn ò padà. nǹkan tá lè fẹ́ yín ṣe a lè fi machine gun ṣe nǹkan burúkú sì wà ní oko ń sìn but nǹkan burúkú bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nígboro a lọ gbé nǹkan burúkú tinú oko wá sí. And when you look at the book of Genesis 14 from verse 16 down, when they told Abraham that the gangsters have robbed Lot of his valuable, then he now decides to go and bring all the bad boys that he has trained to run after and then get those things back. And you remember 1 Samuel 30, it's the same thing. David said, should I pursue them or I wait? He said, pursue them. Allah will be Ojo. Then when you look at the book of 1 Samuel 24, from verse 10, he said, I never knew that we are in the same hole. That is David and Saul. So you have caught my garment. He said, yes, but I will never kill you, my Lord. Then the enemy now pray for David. We are still going to hold our hands and pray for peace to reign. Then this dialogue, either we break or man, it will happen. But we are very close to breakage.
Even some I saw some Northerners, Ariwa group, that they are now calling for separation.
Yes, kí la tún dúró dè. Ó ti tán. Ó ti tán. Ìyàwó ẹ lòun fẹ́ kọ̀ ẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ti lọ gbàdúrà wọn lòun ní problem ẹ. Ó dẹ̀ ti wà bẹ́ẹ̀ láti bí ọdún mẹ́ta. So automatically, ṣe ló yẹ kó kúnlẹ̀ nínú tọ́lẹ̀ kó máa fọwọ́ ra wọ́n pé Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó lè, ó ṣe sọ Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o, Olúwa jẹ́ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o. So dẹ̀ tún lòun lọ ń sìnkẹ́ ló lòun máa ká àwọn ọmọ dání. Wàrà yìí travel jẹ́ kó máa lọ. Only 20 boys cannot pray for what? For 20 years. But this is 100 plus. 2014 ló yẹ kí gbogbo ẹ ti dàrú ká ti máa lọ. Àwọn Fúlàní, àwọn Haúsá mọ̀, Ìgbò náà dẹ̀ mọ̀, Yorùbá mọ̀ pé a máa lọ. So bó ṣe rí ni. Yorùbá nation ti wà tẹ́lẹ̀, máa sẹ́ni máàpù kan sí ẹ, kò lè wó ń bẹ̀. So kì í ṣe nǹkan tuntun. Wọ́n kàn kó ọpọlọ wa, wọ́n kàn kó adìyẹ mọ́, ṣàpamọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀pọ̀ ní. Wọ́n fi lè waste time wa ní. Àbá ti bú ju bá ṣe wà yìí lọ. Kò sí Yorùbá tí ìbá máa lọ sí òyìnbó mọ́. Àwọn òyìnbó ni ìbá máa ṣiṣẹ́ fún wa. Ṣé bí wọ́n gba visa lọ lóyìnbó tẹ́lẹ̀? Torí àwa dúdú yìí náà ni. Torí àwa Yorùbá yìí ni. Àwa la máa ń lọ. They gave it to us. Look at Pai Modu. Look at the Inahoro. Look at all these great people. Look at the Igboho family. Look at all of them. Yeah. So, the Olagbegis. And you look all these people who fought for the independence.
Ọ̀rọ̀ rẹ o, ọ̀rọ̀ ni wòlíì Marcus Tibetan sọ kalẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wọ́n ní wọ́n Nàìjíríà lè wọ́ọ̀kì fún ìran Yorùbá pé kò sí nǹkan tó ti dáa jù pé kí kálukú kó lọ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀ ni and the best time is now gẹ́gẹ́ bí ohun tí wòlíì Marcus Tibetan sọ and nǹkan tó lóye Sunday Igboho náà dẹ̀ ti ń pariwo fún gbogbo àwa ìran Yorùbá náà ní láti jọ ọjọ́ ìwé pé the time is now fún gbogbo wa láti jí gìrì ká gbára wálẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn Fúlàní dáràndáràn tí wọ́n fi gbogbo ìgbà threaten àwọn àgbẹ̀ wa nínú oko torí ojoojúmọ́ báyìí náà la fi ń gbọ́ pé wọ́n tún lọ ṣọṣẹ́ níbìkan àbí wọ́n ṣọṣẹ́ níbòmíì láìpẹ́ ìlà tún gbọ́ ròyìn ti ìwòye náà ní ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn kọ́lọ́n kó ṣàánú àwa ìran Yorùbá ni kọ́lọ́n má jẹ́ kó pẹ́ kó tó yé wa wípé a ní láti jí gìrì ká jà fún ẹ̀tọ́ ara wa kí ni àti ọ̀rọ̀ wòlíì Marcus Tibetan kọ sí ẹ̀yin náà ẹ máa bá mi jù sí comment and ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa bá mi follow Digi Naija online lórí Facebook and gbogbo yín tí bá ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì YouTube ẹ̀yin náà ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa bá mi subscribe kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa on notification bell yín so that by the time tá bá ti ju update tuntun wá èyí tètè máa rí ká tó pàdé láyọ̀ àti àlàáfíà lọ́jọ́ mi ó dàbọ̀.